Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and recharge Lycamobile online. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your particular browser and typing in Lycamobile dot according to your region US /UN according to your region, as I mentioned, and you will get to the official website over here. So here in this section, if you would like to recharge it online, all you have to do is tap on this quick recharge on top or quick top up according to your region. It will be quite changed with the words. All you have to do is tap on it, and simply you're gonna scroll and enter the Lycamobile number which you wish to recharge. So for example, this is the number, right? And then here in the bottom section you have to choose the top up. For your credit, you can choose with various type. You can also choose to add a plan here in this bottom. Once you have chosen the plan, you're gonna go to the bottom and choose your payment method. You have to enter your debit or credit cards and number over here, information, name on card, card number, expiry date, and CVV number. Email, you have to simply enter the billing address also accordingly. Once you're done, tap on this confirm card details, and then here in this bottom section you will get your order summary on top. Simply turn on both of these options. So you do accept terms and condition, etc., and tap on this confirm and pay. You will be able to pay. It will be cut from your card, and you will be able to recharge a quick top up for you Lycamobile. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.